What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. As you can see, we're over here at my dad's house out in his garage, and today's video is going to be about the all-new 2024 Harley Davidson Road Glide CVO ST that we just picked up. As you guys have saw on the channel, I did a taking delivery video and a full riding POV video on this bike down in Daytona for Bike Week, and this thing is absolutely amazing, guys. Harley knocked it out of the park with this bike, and it is damn near perfect for a bone stock bike. As you guys may know, I mentioned in the last video that we are going to be putting a new exhaust on the CVO ST, and that is what we're going to be doing today over here in the garage. And we're getting rid of the stock 2-into-2 exhaust that comes on this bike because, as you guys know, it sounds like a vacuum cleaner and it's too quiet. We're actually putting the Thunderheader that came off my Road Glide on the new 2024 CVO ST. Hopefully it'll just bolt right up. I've talked to some companies that have put exhaust on the new bikes, and they said that the pipes are the same from the old M8s to the new 121 M8 that's in the CVO ST. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the stock exhaust today and throw on the new Thunderheader 2-into-1 pipe on our new 2024 CVO ST. All right, guys, so here's the Thunderheader we're gonna be putting on the bike today. This is shown with no heat shields. This is the pipe I got from George at All American Cycle when I went down there to tune my bike back in December. It worked really good, it performed really well, and it did good on the dyno. Unfortunately, I didn't like the way it looked on my Road Glide, so I ended up taking it off, putting the fuel moto pipe on my Road Glide. So we had this Thunderheader laying around, and we said, why not throw the Thunderheader on the new CVO ST and see how it sounds and see how it performs. So here we have the 2-into-1 header pipe. We've got the muffler here and then all the hardware in the box there, and I'll show you guys the fit and finish of it on the bike and how it sounds. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start the bike up now, show you guys what it sounds like with the bone stock exhaust, Screaming Eagle exhaust on there. This thing is super quiet, but I just want to compare the two exhausts for you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and start this up now, throw it in the Condor, and tear it apart. Alright, guys, so we're going to start by taking off the floorboards and taping everything up so we don't scratch the timing cover or the brake arm. And just to remind you guys, this is the new 121 high output motor with no VVT, no variable valve timing. Alright, guys, so we just got the Thunderheader installed on the CVO ST, and as you can see, it looks really good on here. It looks so much better with the heat shields on, but as you can also see, this Thunderheader is a really tight fit on these M8s. I know a lot of guys have clearance issues right here on the timing cover, and fortunately for us, we have a lot of space in between the heat shield and the timing cover, so no issues there. No issues on the outside of the pipe, just on the inside there. Moving on back here to the muffler, that all went together nicely, and as you can see here, it's like flush with the bag, so it doesn't stick out, doesn't look bad at all coming out the back with the new Harley bag. So now we're getting ready to start it up for the first time, give you guys a little cold start with the new Thunderheader exhaust, and then we'll also take it for a ride and go through the gears and show you guys what it sounds like going down the road. So let's go ahead and start it up now. Yep. guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. What do you guys think? Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. As you guys know, we're waiting to put a camshaft in this bike. There isn't any out yet for it, and there's no tuner out besides the Screaming Eagle tuner, which is junk. That's gonna do it for today, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. I apologize for the lack of uploads lately. Ever since we got back home from Daytona, it's been crappy weather here in Michigan. It's literally rained almost every day. It's been in the 30s, 40s, and it's just not good riding weather. I haven't been able to even finish this vlog. I started this video 2 weeks ago, and unfortunately I wasn't able to finish it because it started snowing while we were in the middle of installing the pipe. So today was the first dry day we've had here in Michigan, and I figured I'd get out here and finish off the video, get you guys some sound clips and some riding clips of the new Thunderheader on the new CVO ST, and here we are. So hopefully in the next couple weeks here, the weather in Michigan will break, and I'll be able to bring you guys some good Harley content to the channel. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Alright guys, so I know a lot of you have seen this bike on the channel before. This is my dad's 2020 Road Glide Special. This is a stage 2 bike, and yes, it is for sale. I just wanted to put this up in the video, letting you guys know that this bike is for sale. He did upgrade to the CVO ST, and he doesn't need both Road Glides, so he wants to go ahead and sell the 2020 Road Glide. So if you guys are interested, or you guys know anybody interested in a built right, mint condition Road Glide, stage 2 Road Glide, make sure you guys hit me up on Instagram at DOOWORK Motorsports, all one word. I'll put it up here on the screen. Message me, and I'll give you guys all the details, a detailed list on everything that's done to this bike, and maybe we can make a deal. There's been some of you guys that have messaged me on Instagram before saying, if you ever sell your bike, hit me up, I want to buy it. Well guys, here you have it, my dad's 2020 Road Glide Special. In this special paint scheme, they only made 750 of this color, in the billiard red and white, and then they also made the billiard blue and white. And this is a really cool paint scheme on this bike, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a walk around for you guys and let you guys know everything that's done to this bike. We'll go ahead and start with the motor. So this is a stage 2 bike. It's a 114 with the Screaming Eagle heavy breather air cleaner. It's got the D&D 2-in-1 billet cat exhaust. He's got the straight cut tips at the back here. He's got the dummy pipe on it as well because of the stretch bags. So it's got the D&D pipe, Screaming Eagle air cleaner, and it's got the S&S 475 cam in this bike. I will start the bike up here in just a second so you guys can hear what it sounds like. This is my favorite cam in an M8, and this is the cam I ran in my bike for the last 4 years, and I absolutely love it. But I'm gonna go ahead and start the bike up here in just a second. But first, I wanna go over the other things that are done to the bike. It's got 12-inch KST fully adjustable bars. It's got a Clockworks windshield. It's got a custom painted chin spoiler to match the paint on the bike. It's got Lindahl rotors. It's got Öhlins front and rear suspension. It's got the remote reservoir Öhlins in the rear, and it's got the front cartridges in the front. So this bike does have full front and rear Öhlins. If you guys know, that's like a $3,000 package there. So it's got that. This bike is super clean, guys. You're not gonna find one flaw, one scratch anywhere on it. He takes very good care of his stuff. This bike is cleaner than the day it came off the showroom floor. But like I said, I just figured I'd put it up here on the channel, letting you guys know that this bike is for sale and looking to move it. So hit me up on Instagram if you guys are interested. Super clean, done right, stage 2 bike. This is the one you want right here. Also, one last thing. Shout out to Gauge Mods. Jim at Gauge Mods did the gauges in this bike. Red background, white needle, and let's see how many miles are on the bike. 16,000 miles. Check out those gauges, guys. The red background with the white needle looks killer on this bike. It's also got the custom dynamic rings up front and the turn signals, and same with the rear turn signals as well. Another thing to mention is it's got brand new tires front and rear, Dunlop American Elite tires. It's got brand new Lindahl rotors and brake pads that we just put on it when we did the tires. It's got a fresh oil change, literally like less than 20 miles on the oil change. This bike is ready to go, guys. It's turnkey, ready to rock. The bike has never been on a dyno, but it is tuned by Fuel Moto, the remote tune from Fuel Moto. This bike rips, guys, and it is the cleanest Stage 2 2020 Road Glide you'd ever see. Like I mentioned before, this bike is cleaner than the day it came off the showroom floor. But I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you guys and let you guys hear that S&S 475 cam chop. hear in the video, this thing sounds killer, guys. Now, I just want to point out a few things. This 33 on the side cover here is just a sticker. It's just a decal, so you can take that off if you don't like that. Also, I just wanted to point out a few things that we also did. We powder coated the brake caliper vent. We also powder coated the motor mounts and this wishbone up here. It's got a CVO, Harley CVO shift linkage on it. It's got a thrash and shifter peg on it. Just a couple little things if you guys didn't catch it in the first walk around. But yeah, this thing is super clean, guys. If you guys are interested, make sure you guys hit me up on Instagram at DOOWORK Motorsports, all one word. Message me, and if you guys want more details and you guys want to know the price and all that, I will give you guys all that info. So yeah, guys, hit me up if you guys are interested in buying this bike.